So just going to show you how to use a Nature's Colours action. It's so simple to use. So you just click the action. So it'll do some little bits. It's going to brighten and add clarity. Then your box is going to pop up for you to select a mask, just to make sure you've got the right selection, so you can fix that with these tools down at the side. This is fine, so I'm going to hit OK. A box will then pop up to tell you what to do. So choose your next colour when the next box pops up. Hit OK. Then you can move this around and you can change the colour here. So you can choose any colour. Hit OK. And then the action is played. So turn it off and on. You can obviously use the opacity slider, so you can turn it down if need be. You can open up and adjust the settings as well. So it is a really gorgeous action. It's such a nice action and it's really simple to use.